Hi everyone, I wanted to give you some advice about Wikipedia. Now, in the announcement, I mentioned that Wikipedia is not an academic source, and that's true. But you can use Wikipedia as a research tool. Let's look at what that means. First of all, Wikipedia is not an academic source. So, when you say go to Google and look for sources, which you should be using the library. But if you go to Google and you put in your topic title, for example, if I Google supply chain management, I can come to this Wikipedia page and I've got all kinds of information. But I cannot just take information, even if I directly quote, even if I paraphrase and give citations, I can't use this information from Wikipedia. And here's why. Anybody can edit Wikipedia entries. If I go up here to edit and I want to change something in this entry, I can. All right, say I want to come down here and I want to put in vanilla ice cream tastes great. It's as simple as that. And I could then save that, and that's now going to be in the Wikipedia entry. I'm not going to save it though. Okay, let's go back. Do not want to save changes. Okay, and you'll see it didn't change here to ice cream, vanilla ice cream tastes great. But if I had saved it, it would have. So that's why we don't trust Wikipedia. Anybody can put in this information. It's not peer reviewed. One way that you can use Wikipedia as a tool is by looking at all these blue hyperlinked words. So if you have a broad topic like supply chain management, you could come to this page and see what some of these words are that they have hyperlinked. And these could become search terms, keywords that you could use in the library to improve your search results. So I could go to the Shapiro Library homepage and put in supply chain management procurement or supply chain management raw materials, depending on what the purpose of my topic in the essay was going to be. So there's one way that you can use Wikipedia. Here's another way. You'll notice that they do have citations, okay? There is information in here from other sources. And you can then go over here to this references, and here's all the things that are referenced in the Wikipedia entry for supply chain management. So what you want to do is look through this list and do any of these titles relate to your purpose in writing about the topic. And if you find one that does, then you could highlight the article topic or the article title, copy it, even if it's hyperlinked. You don't necessarily want to follow that because you may not have access. But copy the title and then go to the Shapiro Library homepage. You can paste the title and search. And if it comes up in the library, which here it is, then you know it is a peer-reviewed quality source that you can use in your essay, and you have access to it, okay? You can read through the citation. If I, move my screen over, you'll see over here the PDF full text, and that gives you the article, okay? A couple of things, other things while we're here. I'm going to move my screen back over, and I'm going to go back a page. You'll notice over here when you're in this view, when it comes up with the results list, if I go to Cite, it will bring up the different formats. So you can scroll down and find the one that you're using. And then you can copy and paste this, and this gives you a start on your reference list. Now, I say a start because you need to make sure that you have all the required information and that the citation generator is using the proper capitalization and punctuation. It even tells you that you need to pay attention. So don't just take this as being complete, because even this entry here is not complete. Why isn't it complete? Because in APA, only the first word and any words that follow a colon or that are proper nouns should be capitalized in the article title. So other than the word do, every other word in this title should be lowercase. Also, the entry is missing access information. You need to give a DOI or the URL for the entry, okay? But Wikipedia can help you there too. Let's go back and look. Here you see a complete entry, and you'll notice that the title is in the proper APA format, and there's a DOI, okay? So that's how you can use Wikipedia as a tool to support your research, not as a source for your research. I hope this helps. I will see you in the discussions. Have a great week.